New Scale software allows natively compiling CUDA apps for AMD GPUs. And while there have been various efforts like Hippify to help in translating CUDA source code to portable C++ code for AMD GPUs, and then the previously AMD-funded Zluda to allow CUDA binaries to run on AMD GPUs via a drop-in replacement to CUDA libraries, there's a new contender in town, Scale. Scale is now public as a GPU toolchain for allowing CUDA programs to be natively run on AMD graphics processors. Scale has been 7 years in the making by UK firm Spectral Compute. Scale is a clean room implementation of CUDA that leverages some open-source LLVM components while forming a solution to natively compile CUDA sources for AMD GPUs without modification, a big benefit over alternative projects that only assist in code translation by transpiling to another portable language or other manual developer steps being involved. Scale takes CUDA programs as is and can even handle CUDA programs relying on line NVPTX assembly. The Scale compiler also is a drop-in replacement to NVIDIA's NVCC compiler and has a runtime that impersonates the NVIDIA CUDA toolkit. Scale has been successfully tested with software like Blender, Llama CPP, XGBoost, Face, GOMC, SDD-GPU, Hashcat, and even NVIDIA Thrust. Spectral Compute has been testing Scale across RDNA 2 and RDNA 3 GPUs along with basic testing on RDNA 1 while Vega support is still a work in progress. At its heart, Scale is an NVCC-compatible compiler that can compile CUDA code for AMD GPUs, implementations of the CUDA runtime and driver APIs for AMD GPUs, and open-source wrapper libraries that in turn interface with AMD's rocm libraries. While Zluda, for instance, was quietly funded by AMD, I'm told by Spectral Compute that they've just been funding this development since 2017 via their consulting business. The only immediate downside seen with Scale is that it itself is not open-source software, but to at least there being a free edition license available for users. Please subscribe Cyber Jim Rachel.